Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
All right, folks. Let's dive into this courtroom drama. The judge calls the session to order as Mr. Daniels steps forward to present his case. In a rare move, he's voluntarily placing himself on child support, a decision that immediately grabs attention. The tension in the room is undeniable as the judge acknowledges him and prepares to hear his story. What makes this case even more intriguing is the absence of the child's mother. Her no-show raises questions about her level of involvement and adds another layer of complexity to the proceedings. But this isn't just about money. It's about a father taking responsibility and ensuring his child is provided for. With the mother missing and Mr. Daniels stepping up, the stakes are high. Now all eyes are on the judge. How will this case unfold? Let's find out.
Yeah, I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today. And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in and, well, guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money,
Okay.
yeah, so that's why
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son.
Do you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Mr. Daniels stands before the court explaining why he's there. He wants to ensure his child receives financial support, believing the mother has failed to meet her responsibilities. Her absence from the courtroom speaks volumes about her commitment, adding weight to his concerns. The judge probes further, asking about their relationship history. Mr. Daniels shares that they were never married, though he tried to do the right thing. Despite his efforts, the mother chose a different path. His frustration is clear, but so is his resolve. His son's well-being remains his top priority. As the judge listens intently, an underlying tension fills the room. This isn't just about legal obligations. It's about a father taking a stand for his child's future. The fact that he is voluntarily filing for child support underscores his dedication, even in the face of conflict.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, your third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the Arena Football League that I play in. So I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation. Okay. So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130.
Okay.
130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount, I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health
financial
insurance.
Details, asking Mr. Daniels about his income and whether he provides health insurance for his child. Mr. Daniels admits that his earnings are modest at the moment, as he's a third-string player in the Arena Football League. The judge explains that child support is calculated based on income, regardless of job status. However, she acknowledges that since Mr. Daniels provides health insurance for his child, he receives a small credit that slightly reduces his overall obligation. The financial breakdown is clear and precise. offering insight into how the system operates. This moment serves as a lesson for anyone watching. The judge makes it clear that child support is about meeting the child's needs, not accommodating. Personal circumstances. Her no-nonsense approach ensures fairness and transparency in the calculations, leaving no room for confusion or dispute.
So, based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28 for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay.
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother.
So you want to make me a baby mama? That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
The judge delivers her ruling. Mr. Daniels' child support obligation is set at $871.46 per month, based on his income and health insurance contributions. She emphasizes that this amount is non-negotiable, as it is directly tied to his earnings. Mr. Daniels accepts the decision, though it's clear he's weighing the challenge of balancing his own expenses with his child's needs. Sensing the tension, the judge lightens the mood with a bit of humor, joking about finding him a good baby mother. But beneath the laughter, the message remains serious. This ruling ensures that his child's financial well-being is secured. As the case wraps up, the judge's final remarks drive home the importance of responsibility in co-parenting, both financially and emotionally. Mr. Daniels leaves the courtroom knowing he has stepped up for his child and done the right thing.
Episode of the Daniels case. So the interesting thing about his case, he placed himself on child support. He actually petitioned to the court to put him on child support. That's very unique because you don't see that very often, but you are able to do that on your own. If you want to put yourself on child support, you are more than welcome to do so. Actually, I would recommend that you do it because then you don't have to worry about getting hit with back pay later on because you never paid child support for your child from the beginning. So, teachable moment for you guys. If you can do it, put yourself.
Now let's break this case down from a legal perspective. What makes it unique is that Mr. Daniels voluntarily placed himself on child support, a rare but highly commendable move. A lawyer explains that taking this step can help prevent issues, like back pay, while ensuring the child's financial needs are met from the start. This case serves as a powerful reminder that child support isn't just about legal obligations, it's about taking responsibility for your child's well-being. The video concludes with a call to action, encouraging viewers to share their own experiences and subscribe for more legal insights. Ultimately, this case highlights how the court prioritized the child's best interests, even when one parent is absent. The educational segment reinforces the importance of proactive parenting and understanding the legal system to secure a child's future.